Hello. So continuing the PDF Toolkit actions, we last saw how to view a printable PDF, append a PDF document, delete pages, and insert pages. Now we'll cover the next few topics, which are split PDF at a page, watermark, and rotate. So let's click split PDF. What split PDF would do is it will allow you to split the current PDF into a few different PDF files. So right now this is a 17-page file called samplescan.pdf, and this is in folder A. So let's select split PDF document and let's select a destination folder. So we'll go again to sites, we'll go into training, document library, and let's select folder B. Be careful to select the plus sign in front of folder rather than the folder itself. And we say OK. Now we have to give it a frequency. So remember, this was a 17-page PDF. What the frequency means is at how many different page numbers do you want to split the document. So for example, here if I say 10, it will create one file of 10 pages and another file of 7 pages. Or here if I say 5, it will create 3 files of 5 pages and one file of 2 pages. So let's take a simple example. Let's say 5 here, and we say OK. Again, it will take a few seconds to complete. So it was split successfully. Now you see the version number hasn't changed because this file itself has not been modified. So let's go back to the document library and let's go into folder B. So here you see it has created 4 files. The first file is pages 1 to 5, then there is pages 6 to 10, then 11 to 15, and 16 to 17. So because we said a split frequency of 5, it tries to create as many files as possible with 5 pages, and then at the end whatever is remaining goes into the last file, which in this case is pages 16 and 17. So let's look at this one. You can see this is a 2-page file with just the last 2 pages from the source file. So that's what the split functionality does. Now let's go back to the source file that we were working on, which was in folder A, and samplescan.pdf. Again, this is the 17-page file. Now let's look at split document at page. So let's click this. Again, select a destination folder. So we go into sites, we go into training, document library, and this time let's select folder C. And we say OK. Now, split PDF document at page allows you to split the source file into 2 separate files. And you can select at which page do you want to do the split. So let's say I say page 2 in this case. So what this will do is it will create one file of 2 pages, and then it will create another file of the remaining pages. So let's say OK. Again, it will take a few seconds. There you go, done. So let's go back to the document library. Let's go into folder C, and here you see 2 pages. So 2 files. So because we selected page 2, what it did was the first page is one file, and page 2 onwards are the second file. Let's open this one. And there you go, it's a 1-page file. So that is split page, that is split document at page. And let's go back again to the source file. Folder A, and we open samplescan.pdf. Now let's do a watermark. So let's click watermark. Now this allows you to embed an image or text in the document, and you can select whether you want it on all pages or even all even or odd. So let's say you want to do an image watermark, and you have to select an image from within the document management system. So let's see where there would be an image. Let's go to sites. Let's go to testing, library. It's there. Let's go back up again. Let's go to Doctor Contracts, Document Library. So there are some images here. Let's say this logo, and here you have a image called cah.png. So let's select that image and say OK. And let's say you want this on all odd number pages, and you say OK. It'll take a few seconds. Done. So now the version has gone up to 1.4 because we modified this document again. And let's refresh. Now because we selected odd number pages, so it should be on page 1. So on page 1 you can see there's that logo embedded at the back. Page 2 does not have that logo. Page 3 has the logo again. Page 4 does not have the logo. Page 5 has the logo again. So it's put the watermark on odd number pages. Let's try the watermark once again. This time let's do a text. Let's call it a test watermark. You can select the font and size if you like. And this time let's do it on even number pages. And say OK. It'll take a few seconds. There you go, successfully watermarked. Let's refresh. And now on even number pages, so it's not on page 1. If you go to page 2, you see the text here, test watermark. Again, page 3 doesn't have it, but page 4 has it. So that is simply the watermarking feature. Now let's go back to folder A. And let's open this file, test3.pdf. And let's look at the rotate PDF document. So this will allow you to rotate the document at 3 different angles, 90, 180, and 270. Now this is a single page document, so the page schema is not really too relevant. Let's just say all. And let's say you want to rotate this document by 180 degrees, which will basically flip it upside down. You say OK. Done. Refresh. And so you can see how the page is upside down. So that's rotate. In the next video, we'll look at the remaining actions, which are encrypt, decrypt, extract pages. Thank you.